Hi there, my name's John Erickson, living and working here in Los Angeles, California. I'm 6 feet tall and more than willing to shave and or grow a beard for this. Here's a full body shot. Thanks so much. Yeah, so I ride a bike almost every day. I have a fixed gear bike that I ride around downtown Los Angeles to get to and fro. But I also have a friend who has an electric bike which goes quite fast. And so I take one of my dogs, put him in a backpack, and we fly around downtown and have a really, really good time. He loves it. He puts little goggles on, and I wear a helmet and I wear glasses, and we are the coolest duo in all of DTLA. I've also done mountain bike racing over the years, so I'll throw some video into that. And just overall, riding on two wheels is a lot faster, a lot more fun, and takes a lot less time. Oh, this place is amazing. All right, let's take a picture. Absolutely amazing. The top of the mountain. Gosh, going down is going to be so much fun. The air's so fresh up here. I know. Who's hungry? All right, I'll race you.